my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months I draw Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish.
My J. Azen.
Yo.
Uncle here.
Uncle baby, I'm a boy train. I don't know.
Right, sir.
Yeah, you're right, sir. Say boy, you don't need come on. Me no want come on. Hey, why I get my me go fucking. Hey, that's some man I'm sitting the sound. I don't know about 30 and your mouth. Now they are come about for.
Mike, me can say. We catch him said the mere crime I had there now.
Hey, why are they? Hey, who so don't you won't be that? Whoa. I dear way on me go fucking hey, what good brothers in the mass. Whoa. Oh good boys in the mass. I didn't know any sound.
Me to one now. Abigail koto aduane e ba na me kai say anopa e call canteen one no precious and be didi. Ti come di no she inside say na me dey aduane command.
Bi opa tin sika to aduane ama no. O di akwa akoma precious. Na adam so where uni nyansa na.
Again so on didi.
Oni di ya wani koto na aduane. Ko na koto aduane ama no. Oba to aduane ama no di akoma oba foforo ni nyame e betu aka. Na nkomo be na adi ni sa no. Yo, I didn't know why you mistake. Why you mistake? Why you mistake to see what we are saying?
I get that me feel bad too much.
Now I also feel bad. I don't know why long, bro. Can't crash now.
Me did not get my precious one tina siana. Me no tina siana.
Okay, we don't know the hell. Be sure you be on your pa. Be on your pa.
Hey, there's a question me Jimmy there.
Hey, fucking. Who be just say? I be go after Johnny am house me dey come precious. So come on here,
Abi boy, I understand.
hey.
I'm not telling you, I'm not come precious.
We no man can see me actually.
My job before speedy too much. Oh, kasa ina me bomb ni chiro. Before speedy too much.
Yeah, we dem slow almost again no belly wa. Wa nipa kwa Canada. Because akwari ya macha asimu ya actually die. Ya be ya dika kwa patch up reko. U feel ya dika kwa patch na way. What else in the see you? Now what else in the see obi ate?
Oh, my sister.
O asesa.
Spirit in crown so phone.
Sa mo ko so mo pio.
My sister.
Interesting. Right.
So we cry me ko ibo ko receipt by my son ko bia my sister. And what ma to aduane ama
Obi anto aduane nkomo obi a.
Ya come precious. Now what dey na ya na.
Obi anto aduane nkomo obi a.
Ni mo bi wa wo dem fan se me kwa akọ to nchen. But ni mo bi wa boy we ya enye fan.
Onya de. Onya de.
Ya to aduane oba to aduane na dey come ayo.
Onya de.
Enti gan net wonum kwa
I want to be that so yeah boys go beat me to aduane the more ba no ba dey akoma be ma bibi sa hu bibi sa da. And I say normal thing.
Enti probability se me kwa akọ kana ya high.
What's that?
Oh, as wo bo menfe. Boy wo bo menfe.
Yo, I dey do one of my boys.
Tie.
What be?
Asema wo ka se be ma tibi to aduane koma oba na oba dey koma be ma wo kan want ana.
Example na me ma sese na me ye oba dey na na be ma nso timi ye ntie.
Ani se piobi.
Sese.
Echuobi.
Ai aduane na kasa we sisi wo precious.
Yeah, we intro.
Oh, ti me nkoka.
Intro.
Maje me nkoka.
Ya to aso. Ebe ya to aso poku dey.
E ba sa again net wo odi ya wo. Oyo bibi sisi e benya wo. Cheke net wo no odi awe wo sugu so abra. No me na be ba.
Awo bi no odi nkomo na. Obi no odi nkomo bi. Mi si twaso ade.
Twaso nipa na kan na si twaso. Problem ne se.
Which Marco? What?
What's really?
Precious mum na to bread and understand.
Now where? I know what you mean.
Understand that story.
What you can't throw you? Opoku set the class I you throw crown throw. They be only pen.
But I can say oh we don't want that Jemba.
To me call Baba library Baba. Bye.
Materials.
Bye sad na nye. Obi ato aduane abla oni kwan so de komo obi foforo.
Okoduma afa to
school wan enyo. Wunni kura at least ka tell again say wunni. Wunni menya adwen. Wunni anu say sister me ni.
Bianca. Bianca.
Asem na ka tell me na say uyem sa se wo sa.
Asem na maka tell.
Mesa kwa ka tell.
Maka bi atro. On TV one no.
Ibi ani a.
That Opoku na pen way. Yet the class I try and I say I don't have a pen. Na pen mun way.
Tin bi aso. Me ko toy.
Na untimi tom betrayal class. Now throw the concern.
Na what say concern? Oh, no so de Timi kwa ni mu aba. Why?
Say na wurem.
My sign. Wo. Mati wa se me de wo. We de me kan. Me show. Fra. I dey me show boy.
Fra ni ja Jimmy no, ono wa na be di nkomo. Fra.
Opoku.
You see free and on Tiana. I mean punchy once and over free. Free will be denied.
Obeka.
Can't you Obeka by the hour and one yard? As now, no, this on the tina what's in the Okobele, dear, where you be a better dear, but who feel the again in the Kakasa.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwana, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso and Maya. Me, pass me come any monster, Jamaya.
Ha, me say wow. Akwa me do be fast no won wo. What do you mean?
So we don't sell patrol.
Wo sra me. Na dabi o. Na ka fodro we na ko bu mi ko mu keke.
Say.
Obi a me nim sa agro ni enya di na me gina yie.
Say ayebufu ni akoma misrew fa.
And ti me ko na ka ubu no na ko bu ni free o.
Ko wacho misrew. Fa cheme patrol. Say makoma so na mantimi anhye. Ene ma ne ba sa. Misrew a. Because me are ko kwanti ai me my show sa me ana mo school of me say ba obi go me nim say set up bio say den so na me ka say by akora na friend say Mike G me and my friend na to asen we dey me sell me pa chon
ko children will me jira ye keke o na wo bu ni mi ko
say on dey do
ko bu ni ye ya na te so asa be pa me cho no bu ni free me boa e be before life
say
o bu mu ya as me pa cho no akofa yi na hwa ni abe pa cho me boa
ni pa na be fom me pa wa cho misrew
ha baby a case na dru no baby a case na mpanfo wa case na wo no won
say o ko ke na so yo
mpanfo akese a case na wo mo no na do me nfo mbe frɛ wa kra na ni kine ya wo
say misrew me pa cho
wo on be frɛ
say misrew
baby na wo se na wo bu mi kom kwa
fa me bone chame aya kuma na mane ba sa
jire ye kura na ma nya botra babo no na wo
everybody is doing bomba me pa cho
o sa challenge
challenge misrew say misrew pa cho misrew ebisi bi misrew ba akwa no de misrew say fa ne bone che no ono de me no ye no onim ho hwe ene say bi ye onim bu asada na wa fra me say me ma be sa
wa na aye ora ta na de aye locket tattoo ko no
me ma me
ena no se sa
so na wo me wa wo me de kan go sa abo ma me ana me say
o sa challenge o so wo ye reni
say me
o so wo say reni
ba reni ba say
tonton ne ma school mo fo ni biem wote
say ma cho say
me say tonton ne ma mo biem ensi school mo meton ne ma
say e go say school bia no on say sanko fo ni bi wo mu
ana me chese ensi wo meton ne ma ni biem
say me nya na me
jitum bla wo wi a me fra krawo o fra Antonio General
o
Antonio General
Antonio General na say
me si wa sha me fra Antonio General
but also try there say ba uni
me pacho na de adi mi jira ye kwa na me nya abotra abebo no na wo abebo me bo a
o de nyeshe fa cheme ba say say omo na enyo musika na omo ni omo de be na mo so meto haban
me see insist to mo meto ne ma mo obi ada na obehu bad of me bad side na bu off
so
ata baba de to ne ma o school mo no maka kire wo
say fom na ma fom na me pa
na maka kire wo no maka kire wo
achopa no kan me pa ba say
maka kire ka wo pa ho account pound
my genti
what dem catch row the who dey there the woman
David me fa bia won
na yes kind way you know
oh me ni sika won
who say car to say no bull off baby me bull bia wo be so a wo ya car to say
say this one pass ye ka say biem o le nyeshe
who say be so be kon
me pa cho
no
oh me sro
who say me am
say o me say me so be had
you see school mo me turn e ma biem me turn e ma biem
ba achopa mpa won me pa omo na enyo musika ana omo nim omo de beye me a meton ade no kora me num bi ba wo no onya sika na nim de na se asa so say odia
to shame.
Say na berry.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months so drum me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah.
Yeah, please, it's me. I'm looking for Precious.
Hey, Opoku.
Hey,
How brought you here?
I'm looking for Precious.
Precious.
Where is him?
Where is he?
Where is he?
Where is who? Where is she?
Where is she?
She's outside.
She's outside.
Yeah.
Oh.
What brought you here?
Are you only inside?
Yeah, I'm the only person there.
Oh, okay. Can we enter the room and talk?
No, you can't enter girl's room.
Okay, so
Huh.
I'm leaving. Oh, it's okay. I came to look for Precious. So.
Are you sure?
Oh,
Opoku?
yeah. So I'm leaving.
Are you sure?
Oh.
What do you want?
Oh,
You want something? I have things there.
Why, it's food there?
Yeah, I have food.
Okay, then let's go inside.
I said we can't. Let me sit. Then we have the conversation here.
Oh, it's not about the I came for Precious. So
Precious is not around,
Okay.
and he has said you have food. I have food.
Oh, it's okay. It's
Are you
okay.
sure?
Oh.
Hey, Opoku. Okay, I was doing my assignment. So I'm
Okay.
going inside.
So you can.
Opoku the Sonny.
Hey, who told you that I'm from here?
Oh, we know. Everybody know.
Come. I have an issue. It's not the main purpose I came here, but I came here because of Precious. But Precious is not there, so I have to talk.
Like, what are you coming to say?
So Nana Okan, first of course, what's the mood?
First of all.
First of course, what's the mood?
First of all.
First of all.
Yeah.
But me making sure someone say mood and someone will right inside.
Hello, Opoku, what did I do?
Oh, you didn't do nothing. I only told you I'm the Scanty.
Yeah.
We are dear pal.
Ade, how Anna?
If not, we will movie. Again, the told you and come out boy and boy, so the come out girl for.
Huh?
Movie be na me. Obana to and come out boy and boy, so the come out girl for. But you know what I'm saying? At the boy with then hand.
You said movie. Go straight to the point, Opoku. What are you trying to tell me? Adriana made the breast canteen a day. Who's watch a movie be?
And you say be me be the consent so. But could you believe that you are not the breast canteen? Scanty they are come precious.
Adriana made the breast canteen. Scanty they are come precious.
It's not somebody say. No, I say.
Meaning say you go around gossiping bad. What can is it true?
I'm coming.
Opoku.
Scanty. I be called by for Scanty. Scanty give it to precious.
Ade will come concern no
Oh,
joy.
can handle man.
Hey!
Can topic a sort of honum them.
Scanty. Concern.
Part say 50 say.
59.
Can handle.
Abigail brought food to Scanty. Then Opoku brought with it. Scanty went to
Scanty,
give it to
yes,
Precious.
The Precious, yes.
Hey, now Opoku concern.
Yeah. What can hold the area?
Hey!
Into your now hold the breast Scanty. Scanty they are come Precious for your information. To me,
Scanty nessa ade no.
Nti we no be na twere ma me boy.
So we the one who sound na watch.
Ah, me hobby. Opa akosisi na go
I don't want to go and face him. Opoku men pencho.
Me ka de wo ma kyerɛw.
Opoku.
Ah, ponche ni free so ase be ka se denchi ma wu a. Wo si dan gi na chinie. Ah, me ni pa me wo so
It's time
ase.
no dey yan no come Precious.
Ade na give you pet. Enu apia ya, enu apia. Ne no na de do na.
Tell me no Precious were inside. The time ben na of course Scanty was Scanty dey yan no man.
Me enu no de minim. But the minim ni se wo de do na come Precious. Oh.
Opoku, are you sure?
O de aduan na come na wo de ntipa na nti. O to aduan come Scanty.
What's the Precious say has Scanty into me as a good friend. And na me call abonte na me to aduane brain no.
The Scanty penana.
And you say me peno. They are Precious e treating and me ninje ho. That's the main reason
I can meet my yes between
Opoku giant dey oyen.
Meet my kumi get adwuma na ma.
Me say me peno.
On Scanty.
I was just being a good friend. That's the main reason why I bought the food.
Boy no.
Who say me ni be me bi na ho di nkomoda na.
Ayi ye ba from one boy na no ayi shanu.
What's the?
Ye yi na di no me hu so no be me bia wo school mo bi.
Say ye na di yoko.
It is say, date one.
I'm not dating anybody.
We are single.
And I don't want to date anybody too. You say HSA.
Me Roman.
And the romance say you preach you.
Oh, and then it's our party. One day two bia.
Mean the two. Opoku someone can change me mood. Opoku. Mean the two bia. Baudio. Opoku jai the way. She say HSA. Shit. I'll quite get serious. It's all a fanboy. It's a match. Opoku the son. Yeah, the conconsa. Shit. Ready.
Hey, why romantic? I wanna blow so. Hey. More than maybe.
Opoku.
Hey.
More than by the way, me dance why? So I be catch you.
Me see, that boy no. I hear me one class that obey too much, sir. What to Ben is here. That's a precious crabbing now. What money?
They be precious ain't treaty guy in ye. So I'm trying to fix things.
That's all to be Biamana. The cancer.
Because I meant to be mine. And now the catch
and so answer. And some want to be Biama boy. In 2 days, a baby crowd bit me catch him. What it? And I'm assuming who be Biama catch him. Why?
Opoku. I don't even know what to say. Me want some mammy. I am out.
And to be a name, my boy.
Na me make me the music koto and I'm a bema beam.
Na me see me nimni pa on the precious too on the precious on Saturday.
Eh, trust.
Oh, tete e biane.
Opoku is okay.
We no sa.
Eh, okay. Oh, then.
Of a fin no mood.
Me that say it's okay.
I don't catch you some say mood.
So I say mood na into kwen.
Me. I just want my dear. Oh yeah, I am
I don't say mood ni what say you so go.
Ah, what's what you're saying?
Damn.
Share. Monsieur Mensa to be so. It's more Dimatema and where is your Opoku girlfriend? Where is your Opoku girlfriend? Where is your Opoku? Finally, this is Opoku girlfriend. Joey, say me to say, I don't make chat. I'm a give you a timas cry. Me try me to give you a timas. Right now, call me Opoku Anderson. Or call me Abigail Opoku. Because I fall for the girl.
Hey! Na me mean them there. Ni send you or you do with them. Ah! Na me fi fan chen there di bia bosia na. What? Ebuampu. Hwe si se hwe scamming. Inda se chen si mam sikei. E china Mr. Iddi mam sikei. Oh! Hell! If you cry me don't be the agro. Me fan full. Say the be mama fa me down. Me chira mu di ewu. We me ji habe 5 million na ma ji aha so 5 million ochina. Me kabom pa me tisi club mu akohwe nko a obuwampo. I will show you people the real colors of Amfula. Every day trampling on me, acting as if I'm no one. I'm a Fanfula. Make sure one day one way down. Now I'm the one be daggle. Hey, beside the other me a hard na me croak on ye pan because shameful. Mention down kono ho dem puna say change so ba no ma me yin am say ni suma me ya. Na di me ya de opebia mana. Edi 1k dey onye mo wan dey obesu each week o. Na kohwie pa na ebe shaasi ami. Hey. Na nyisan je kama. Ode me ya hard kan me kenyi mesiafo be 3 bi kan o. Bia me 1k bia each month bia. It's my hard crave one if you gonna crack a leader na straight to Spain. I kept on my bra. What? Fanfula. Now what you boy here Fanfula je wan kasa o gang. In the danger gang Fanfula na na virgin gang. Hey. But them here hard. Let's show one. Say chins. Timodini na that chimbia. Let's show what they am. Imagine boys now.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso when
Adam, how could you? I should use my own pocket money to buy food for you. Then you're going to give it to Precious.
Anderson.
Don't tell me, oh.
Anderson, what's wrong with this? You gave me food.
Are you listening to yourself?
Precious was hungry, so I had to give it
to her. What the F is wrong with you? Precious was angry or hungry. I don't even know what to say.
She wasn't eating since morning when you gave me that food.
Are you okay?
So I had no option.
Are you okay? Adams, are you okay?
What did I do wrong with this? You gave me food. Precious was hungry, so I had to give her the food.
I can't insult you, but for what you are doing, you are really stupid. Oh, you are very, very stupid, okay? And she's my money and go and buy food for you, and give it to another girl.
And this is your own friend. Come dinner. What did you banana say? But you
were hungry too.
Yeah,
were you not starving?
Yeah, I was starving, but I care about her.
Listen to yourself. You care about Precious. Adams, you are being so stupid and dumb.
Listen, I told you that she's always first in my life. So if I'm hungry and Precious too
listen,
is hungry,
the next time I buy food with my own money and come, I'm not doing that shit again. I'm not doing it. Then give it to Precious. What I'm going to do to you, you're going to see the other side of me.
Listen,
what's wrong with you?
Take this as a normal something.
Adams,
she's your friend. She's my girl. She's hungry. You gave me food and I went to give it to her. What's wrong with this?
So why didn't you use your own money to go and buy food for her? No, in fact, why didn't you cook for her? Why didn't you cook? Oh, Mr. Chef, why didn't you cook for her?
It's like you have some personal issue with me.
It hurts. Why should I use my money? That was my last money. I was going to buy food for myself and I thought you've not eaten.
Yes, I was also feeling hungry though, but I had no option than to give the food to
I was
Precious.
also hungry though. I had no option, so I went to.
Please.
Hey, I don't. It's okay.
Listen,
it's okay. It's okay. Everything is okay. It's okay.
Understand?
Adams, what do you want me to do?
Oh, please, I won't do that again. Next time I'll eat some and give the rest to her. I won't give
Leave my hands. What did you say? Next time you're going to eat and give the rest to her.
Yes, I won't give you all of them to her.
Adams.
Sorry.
I thought I was helping you.
That won't happen.
Adams. I'm just giving you peg. Like, who are you going to look at?
Precious.
Where is Precious? Adams, you're being so dumb. Like, Chavi,
No, it's something.
it's just a peg. Just a peg. Oh, Adams, are you being real here?
Yeah.
It's okay.
Anderson, am I forgiven?
You are not forgiven.
Mike. Mike. O fa makurana. O kata mi akurana. Jai se mintie. Ade na me ne de mama. To ade na fam sika mama. 3 days ni mi hu. Me sa fro so a onfa. O wa infa. Yo, ma be jina mo hostel o se den na nim. Pie bra na fam ade e bra me. Me tie bibia o enyo ma ne fam free maka kire o.
Eti masha.
Oh, e tropa. Yo.
Nama fe wiase. Munia magi.
Yo,
Fambo me.
Fambo musika brem, le fambo musika brem. Ne ja do.
Moi for Yesu. Christo reba.
Me tell you first.
Drugs. Enti mu nim se, ni mu ye no, ate mo bi wo homa mo. Drugs. Mu bogum na mu behave to sabio emwa. Why should you be doing this yourself? Enti mu nim se ate mo bi da homa mo. Drugs. Anybody let me show you a numbi, baby. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to yourself?
Yo, who said me gentle our concert now? Huh? Uni me.
Ade.
Nah, makamari dollar. Who's outside?
Why, Ade?
Huh? Who say me jam? What shall say boy good tiana drugs and those stuff? Me what? And I'll take what I want in Indiana.
But I didn't you.
Let me have assist.
Ade.
When just had that, then I made do as soon as see my boom. Then I'll be jam in China and drugs and I'm gonna do money. No.
Achu. Or the mimi kase or munyai. I'm saying ya de pa.
Yo. Me see I'm not jam me preachers are preaching no.
When you moy. Na there be mimi fini hostel preaching you na se mon kana make us me na woni maden.
Fanya me no mama na me friend no. Se nyame na se kasa. Fa sa nyame no mama na me friend no. Dey na concert no. Yo. Me nya sa boys na me hu mabo makuti ani bi wate. Ghana so for maba. Ebi mu de ekutiabo baby e kwanda no mo nkyere. No.
I feel the matter say nintenya me frame me. Because I say once a gangster, always a gangster. No man normalizing the gangsterism no. Man ni binyam se na mentwe. But I mean na frame me. Na me am submit me adwuma na why dey wa frame me. Nya wo ya na me hu atra.
On challenge no bi na obetim na kontoko na.
Oh yes, I me no ba ko mentwe now. That's what I'm telling you. Na me na mafa.
We ya ro fa na.
Oh you den.
Oh ya ro fa na.
Oh you den.
We be mo o so na tete wori so. Ah? Yo, we be mo na so na tete wori so me chiru afo. Obara wana.
Na no wajai. Enti mesha na mafa ya si. Munyama nyina afambo mebo. Yesu riba. Ote mwafo Yesu Kristo riba o. Obe fare ma. No ba wo bi nahi. Manka so no de bre no.
Jimi be
no. No so ko siasa manka o de bre no.
Wa mama be jina ma. No be jina ma.
No de bre.
No we be so yo me ya me ko. Yo adan.
Manka so no de bre no maji. Oba so be wia. No wa kum no asai.
Hey, we can second time. Maba wo hostel so wo de den.
Oba so be de obe wia. No wa kum no wa sai. Nanti Kristo ba so be den.
Quite. Family wa be dem.
Enti sa wo ho. Now on fama. You say some who na udi no. Udi some who no.
Banya wo forty. Hey, brother. Me see manya wo 40.
Brother. Jam kon. Enti sa wo. Amen.
Jarof no.
Say na dem I say things and me kon me o. That's what I say me na dem.
Me see jarof no.
My time ma de ba ko ni mo.
Ko ni.
Na ni. You see that?
I'll preach in the corner. I'll preach in the corner.
I don't mean to you nothing. You know, I see no
mama na friend.
Hey, I wouldn't say one yet.
Corning. The saka bi ma, me bu asu heavy fucking.
Mati wode majai na mo.
Enti ko ni me.
E ji sa wo no. So when you say I am born in a woman, and no first and last. Now they should be out on. Oh, not the Jashia Cassie. Now say, aren't you ashamed of yourself? Aren't you as well? Or to do papa? Or only to do papa? Boys, you better than I'm a cook. You myself a trust on the bow. Snitches. I will preach the word of God till I die. No man for you, see.
This is the last time I make us answer me. My G, no time for Sabim. I don't know my mom at all. No, Miss Anka Musica. My friend won't fa. The next day, Miss Afra won't fa. After picking what I just a mimic channel, some hostel was a day. Yo, face there, me buy. We teach in the dimage me. Miss Haba one name so. Minim so sofu so eden ekuti abo basa. Maje sana odi na school wo say me na me ma oni moton na am opoku kura be kasa asem o kire me bo me di money bebrebe o school mu
Opoku na be kasa asem ya chiro
opoku na be ka kire me Mike so hwe na so ntimi me nya adwuma ka kire me
tugo uni me lie upon live be able school why they able bo me teacher ni na ya solve issue we on say on here e twem Opoku akasa asem ya kire wetimaji opoku edi se me meyesa tubo
yo me mfia asem e no opoku tie se letimi na ezimpa bwa se nya na me no di sankomo ya e no opoku tie
say no die eno na mo o boys na na keka on
one waka o school one as
say nya me nkwan na ade a o ton ade ma me nti o so nyoma bi opoku ni nso ochini
yo Mike tie men fa me nim nya fom sa boy no so ye so fu se den o na ekuti abo basa ana no ton ko num bi ana o say no yo bro oni o kasa Mike
to oni me kasa me mane nya sa so oni mi wo issue bi me no ye adwuma
me ja pade o na me crown
ana me kire o say tie ade na wo oni mi di nkomo na nya ade o so ma bufu kura o because we ni me nyoma bi wa fa no say ya na tie say
e tell me from now on fa
no more class. O frame na me fa se more class. Nti classmate ma pekeko. Nti me na wo de wo ba ma gina mo. Akwa we mu makutia. Oh, Charlie, ni o ma bi wa anti. Like no school for nkasa. Mati, we de mati. O school for nkasa. Mati, me person me no be nya issue bi abi. This time around no, my emergency ni ma bi wa me ni. Ti also unyan to ase man. But Opoku ni de. You ma bi wa forget say aniga no konkonsan kwa no ti school mu a odi o. Konkonsan kwa. Fiti di de na obe long with Opoku no. Ah, me ma celebrity bouncer. Anasa Mike Walker, another Danny boy. San kran me esa no. Mama be gwan no school mu afoken. Ah, because Jimmy too much. Oh. I say no me feel bad. So I tell say because me say school mu no. Chale me won sem nko an. Me won sem nko an. Tubo. Me no dey am person no be nya issue. Any man way. What send this kind of order down? Ah. What I send him? Ma send him order down kra. Ah, tubo na me titi me aka say me person no be nya issue. Ma yo, unu school for nkasa. Mati. Let's next time. Pan sejata. Mati.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me ya. Me person me come any months so drum me ya. Oh Lord, I pray let I will for
Abigail. What? You're the one I'm waiting for. Why are you passing by? Why are you giving me attitude? I'm not giving you attitude.
If this is not called attitude, then what is this?
Precious, what do you want to tell me? Why did you call me?
I wanted to confirm something from you.
Okay, go on, I'm listening.
But first of all, why is it that any friend that I take decides to backstab?
How?
What do you mean by how? You saw what Seer did, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you know you're on that path.
Why you say I'm on that path?
You know what you're doing.
What am I doing?
What are you not doing? That's supposed to be the question. What are you not doing?
I don't know what I'm doing.
You don't know what you're doing.
If you don't go straight to the point, I'll just walk away.
Okay. I've realized that you and my boyfriend have a thing going on.
That's what you think.
That's what I've seen.
You've seen.
That's what I've realized.
Oh, okay.
That you guys have a thing going on.
And is it bad?
You're asking me whether it's bad.
Is it bad? It's a question. Is it bad, yes or no?
Is it bad for you to take your best friend's boyfriend? Is that what you're asking?
You are saying it because...
Is that what you're asking?
You are saying that. You are saying that. And I'm asking, is it bad?
Saying that from what I've observed. So I want to ask you whether you are actually doing that or you are not.
If that's how you see it, fine. I can't say anything.
You're not answering the question.
I said if that's what you see, fine.
Do you think you don't owe me any explanation?
No.
You do.
I owe you nothing.
You owe me an explanation.
No.
Really?
Yeah. Okay. You are not treating him right.
What do you mean by that?
So I'm treating him good.
Oh, so you've
course.
Confirmed it.
I've not confirmed anything.
Then what do you mean by you're the one treating him good?
If that's what you are thinking, Precious, fine. I have nothing to tell you.
So are you denying it?
I said I have nothing to tell you.
Just answer with a yes or no.
I can't answer you. Why?
You can't answer.
No,
me.
Are you my mother? You are just a friend. So I can choose to answer
exactly
you.
the words Seer gave to me.
No, I don't care.
Words.
I don't care.
Alright.
I advised you, right? Didn't I? Did you listen?
No.
Did you listen?
I didn't listen.
Okay.
Well done.
Thank you.
You can leave.
You can't sack me.
I can't sack you.
You can't sack me.
I can sack you. You're leaving. I just sacked you. Do you know I just sacked you? See ya. Oh my god. There's actually something going on between them.
Yeah, me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me ya. Me person me come any months so drum me ya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me know the party.
Precious. What's up? Why are you so quiet?
I'm just thinking.
Also, it's been like an hour since you came back from school. Why are you still in uniform?
I've just been thinking a lot these days.
Thinking? What's there to think about that's gotten you so down?
I've realized that every friend I take backstabs me.
But you have many friends, so what friend in particular are you talking about? Now, like, relax, tell me.
You see, last semester,
Yeah?
Seer and Aroma kind of cheated on me. And then now I think Anderson and Scanty have something going on.
Like, I must say, I kind of back your statement because I have seen something like that. Yeah.
I thought it was just my mind.
Maybe I may be wrong, but you know what? Don't worry, okay? You trust me, right?
I do.
You trust me?
I do.
Alright, sure. So I'll look into it. You know me.
But why does it happen that way? What do I do? Why would I take you as my best friend and you be my boyfriend, then you decide to go for my best friend?
Precious, you just don't take good friends.
Am I that bad?
You're not bad. It's just that you have a bad choice of selecting friends.
But Anderson, would you ever think Anderson would do such a thing? No, right?
Appearances can be deceiving. Don't judge a book by its cover. You know this. You shouldn't be surprised. You let them trample on you too much constantly. Precious, you have to act out.
I don't see it coming. It's not like I see it coming, then I'm still there.
Because you are too relaxed, Precious.
What should I do? What should I do? We just had a simple argument. Make this something that everybody will know about. You said no. Now you are going to take my best friend. Why?
You know what? Like, just relax, okay? Don't worry. I'll look into it.
Since you've said this, you look into it for me, and
I will.
if you get any information, let me know.
Oh, don't worry. I'll get you information. But once again, remember, your friends, like your choice of friends, it's very bad.
By the way, what did you come and do here?
Oh, no, I was coming to get some stuff.
From?
Inside.
This is the girl side. What do you mean inside?
Oh, provisions. I don't have any more provisions.
From?
Oh,
Asantewa.
Oh,
Who?
Oh, the others.
Hey, I thought you are sad these days. Why would you come to someone to come and take provisions?
No, that's why I'm hungry.
You don't have anything?
Oh, no.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, that reminds me. Like,
don't ask for money. If you know I come to ask for money, I'm the wrong person. Don't ask me for money. You can't go.
Not even 20.
Nah.
10.
Nah.
5.
Nah.
What about for water?
Sure. You said you're going to take provisions. You go, you get some.